First problem that we have in here is when we use Unreal Engine 5.1, whenever we save this minimal default level and we made some changes in there and we save it and we open the Unreal Engine again, all the thing that we did and we did save it, it will be gone. So this is another problem with Unreal Engine 5.1. So before doing anything else, before doing any other fixes, I want to talk about levels. So how we can create a level. So for creating a new level, first of all, I want to go to content in here, right click and create a new folder and call it levels. Okay. And with that, I want to go to file, go to new level, and in here we have some option and I want to choose basic one. Don't worry about the open world, I will talk about it in its section. Just click on the basic, hit create, and it will create this big project for us. This is the basic project, right? So know with that, if we play, first of all, there is no character for us. So for each level, we should change the game mode in here when we click on world setting. Okay, so let's just change it the third person game mode that we create. Know with that, if we run our game, you can see our player is here, but it will start from the top and we don't need that. So we can just go here, go to basic and drag and drop player start from there to here. Okay, now you can see it is on the ground, and if we run our game, you can see our player is now on the ground. Everything cool with that. There are some other things that we should change. Every time that we open the Unreal Engine 5.1, it may give us some warning, and it will tell you to go to edit, go to project setting, and in here search for D3, D12 and enable SM6. Okay, just enable this, save everything. Okay, like this, go to save all, and it will tell you where do you want to save the level, and I want to save it in the levels in here, and I want to call it level 01. Okay, save it, and now our level is saved. And if we wanted to always open up this level when we run Unreal Engine 5, we can again go to edit, go to project setting, and in here go to maps and modes, and in here we can change the editor startup map and editor template map override. We can change both of them to our level 01. Okay, so whenever we create a level, it will create it from this, and whenever we open up the Unreal Engine, it will open up the level 01. So after that we are finished, we can again save all, and whenever we close the Unreal Engine and open it again, everything will be there, whatever change that we made. Now about our problem, you can see our gun is not aiming at the middle of our crosshair, so we should fix that. For fixing that, I need to show you some other nodes to be able to fix that. Of course, like everything in Unreal Engine, there is a lot of ways to fix these kind of things, but with this knowledge that we have till now, there is a way to fix it. So I want to show you as much way as possible, so you will learn as much node in Unreal Engine, as much tools as possible. So whenever you want to create whatever game, if it is first person, if it is third person, if it is isometric or whatever, you will be able to do that yourself, because you learn a lot about the nodes. Whenever I have an execute to teach you some new node to do these kind of things, I will teach it to you. But if you think you want to do something that you can't do it with these kind of node, just ask in question section and I will create a video about it, and I will show you some other nodes. As you know, there is million nodes in Unreal Engine 5, and I'm trying my best to show you most important ones in this course, and I will do my best to show you a lot of them. So let's just see how we can fix this crosshair issue.